Namaste to all. On the eve of 6th International Yoga Day, I wish you all to have a good health, happy and contented life. During this COVID-19, this pandemic, we all know the importance of the health. We see now the entire world how it is suffering because of this problem of COVID. So in order to avoid such sufferings, we need to adopt or change our lifestyle by adopting the yogic way of life. The yogic way of life penetrates all levels of the human being via physical, mental, emotional, intellectual, social and finally even to the spiritual level. The spiritual dimension of the human only brings his own nature outside. Because the nature of the human being is love. When the love radiates, it takes away all the human sufferings. Changing the lifestyle, concern with the other people, for the beings, not only the people, for all other beings. Even we should know how to love the trees, how to love the plants, give the water to the sparrows, feed some food to the dog. If we started to love our own self, also the other beings, it started to change the entire world. In order to be the healthy one, every day we need to practice some simple practices like Surya Namaskar, Asana, Pranayamas and simply 5 to 10 minutes of meditation. That will boost up our immune system. Also the respiratory system. When the respiratory system gets strengthened, the human system naturally develops. When we do some physical activity like Surya Namaskar, Asana practices, that circulates the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system activated only by doing physical practices, not other ways. So these are the things. So maybe in the beginning, all these practices, it makes us to suffer during the practice. But later it started to give the real benefits. As Thiruvalluvar says, Chuda chudarum ponpole olirum tumbam chuda chuda norkippavarku. Even if you take the beautiful statue, the statue hides inside the stone. When the stone undergoes so many painful hittings and carvings, the beautiful statue comes out. Similarly, when the human started to undergo such a pain, like doing the practices, the body pain and such things, later this same human started to glitter in the society as Vayathul Valvangu Valvavan Vanurai Deivathul Vaikappadum. Seyarkariya Seivar Periyar Siriyar Seyarkariya Seigaladar. So during this 2020, the 6th International Yoga Day, this is the message to the all children's, parents, all the beings. And thank you very much. Namaste.